Hello, you guys. We are going to get started with 10 minutes of cardio. Big inhale with me right here. Take it up. Exhale, let it go. Inhale up. Exhale down. We're going to slowly roll the shoulders up and back. Good. Now speed it up right here. Take it back. Just breathing and getting that body nice and warm. Now you're going to add a reach back, up and around. Up and around. We have 10 minutes to just get that energy flowing in the body. Lots of endorphins. Good. Now you're gonna rock the hips right to left. Good. Now take a circle to the right for 8, for 6. Good. 4, 3. Back to the side, one more time. You can start to make it a little bit bigger. Good. Now circle it back. 8, 6. Good. 4, 3, 2. We're going to step forward, right, left, then back 4 times. Front, through 2, take it back. It's up, up. 4 more like that. You got it. 3. Last 2. Good. Last time right here. We're going to rock those hips to the left. This time, go left. Good. 4, 3. Circle those hips right here for 8, 6. Woo. 4, 3. Back to the side to side. Take it left. 2, now we circle, last 8, 6, we're going to take that little roll, travel step, this time to the left, up for 2, back for 4. Keep breathing. 4 more, keep it going. 3. Last 2. Good, last 1. Hold it here, a little hop. Bring those arms up, push them down. Good, adding that hop to the lower body. Get your heart rate up. One more time, reach and press. Booty kick, you kick for 4. Squat and drop. Do it again. Whew. That's it. Kick the booty, drop. Kick the booty, get low. 4 more, out of reach. Squat, reach up. So good. Last 2. Good, last 1. Woo. Little change right here. Step forward, hop back. Step forward, hop back. Push, push, squeeze, squeeze. Good, out of press. You got it. Out, out, in. Little higher. Up. Keep breathing, y'all. 4 more. 3. Good, 2. Now we kick the booty. Take it up. Keep it up. Last time here. We'll go to the left side. Take it out. Left. Left. Woo! Come on. You're almost out of this first song. Out of 2. That's it. Push. Take it higher. Up. Up. We got it. Last 4. 3. 2. Good. Hold it here. Shoulders roll. So good, y'all. Woo. Slow it down. Circle 4. 3, 2, and 1. Woo. All right, y'all. You're halfway through today's 10-minute cardio burst. So keep pushing. We got this. We're gonna start with little reach. Right, left, roll it twice. Big reach, and roll. Good. I'm just gonna keep stringing on new sets of movements. Keep it going like this. 4 more. 3 more. 8. Last 2. Push. Last 1. Woo. Hold it here. We're gonna pop. Out, out, in, out, out. Take it to the left. Good. Out, out, in, out, out, in. Last time here. Back to your reach. Let's go. Up. Keep your body moving. Reach. And roll. Last time. Get ready for that little travel pop to the right for 2. Go out, out, in. If you want more, you add a little hop in. Whatever you need today. Last time. Grapevine to the right. We go. Right. Left. Side to side, just right. And left. Let's go for 4. For 3. You got it. 2. From the top, step touch. Booty roll. Yes, reach. And roll. 2 more times. Last time. So good. Pop it 2 times to the right. You got it. Pop, pop, in. Pop, pop, in. Option to add that hop if that feels good. Great line to the right. Here we got 4, 3, last 2, last 1. We're gonna lift those elbows, lift, twist, step flick. That's it, lift, twist. This is your last set of moves, and then we're just gonna keep repeating until we reach that 10-minute mark. Stay here, 4 more, 4. Really twist into your torso, feel your obliques. Feels good. Last 2. Whew. Last 1. Back from the top. In 3, 2, 1, let's reach. Roll it out. Work your booty. And roll. And roll. 2 more. Good, last 1. Get ready, we pop it 2 times to the right. If the jump doesn't feel good, you stay right here with that ab contraction. You've got 2 more. Last 1. Whew. Great mind, let's go to the right. Keep pushing, y'all. I'm with you. So strong. We have 4. We have 3. We have 2. Lift and twist. Flick it out. Twist it. Flick it. Good. That's it. That's it. Step touch. Let's go. Hey. Hey. How we feeling, y'all? Your final chance to move and groove. Finish with a bang, pop it 2 times to the right. Take a left. Ha, ha, in. Ha, ha, in. Pop it. Pop it. Woo. We great line. Here we go to the right. To the left. You finish here in 4. And 3. Last 2. And 1, breathe. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last 2. Release. Last 1. You got it. Up. And give yourself a great big round of applause. Awesome work today, you guys. If you enjoyed today's video, let me know below in the comments. And we'll see you back on the dance floor next time.